I am incredibly grateful to the American College of Chest Physicians, both for this wonderful recognition and for their many years of support of me as a medical educator. In my experience as a clinical teacher in our field, there are no other organizations, and maybe not even any academic institutions, that place as much value on or provide as much assistance for the professional development of pulmonary and critical care educators. I attended my first chest leadership development course back in 2005, and I vividly remember listening to Nancy Collop, Lisa Moores, and Mark Rosen, among many others, and thinking that these folks had cultivated the sort of career that I was looking to put together. And so many chest faculty have been incredibly generous with their time and talent over the last decade to help me hone my own craft, including Alex Niven, Jack Buckley, and my co-awardee Bill Kelly. But all of the ideas that the great educators at Chest have mean nothing without a great team to implement those ideas. And I want to also recognize Rich Hsu, Lisa Alvarez, Rob Rubito, and Chad Jackson, among many others, as the team behind the scenes that help make all of the Chest educators put together outstanding educational products. Thank you all again so very, very much for this incredible honor. I look forward to continuing to work with Chest, its other faculty, and its outstanding staff to craft the next generation of educational experiences for folks looking to learn more about topics in pulmonary, critical care, and sleep medicine.